We are surrounded by plastics. Our loved ones are exposed to dangerous chemicals and toxins. The environment is suffering, and worst of all, most people don't even realize the risk. As one of London's first choice provider of domestic and commercial cleaning services, we feel that it's our duty to do everything that we can to help. This is why we have chosen to promote green living and sustainability. We are actively working to limit the impact of our services on the environment, decrease our carbon footprint, introduce innovative green cleaning techniques, protect the health of cleaners and clients. But we can't do it alone. We need your help. Join us in our fight against pollution and make the greener choice today. Only together we can save the world. To help you on your journey, we have prepared a comprehensive list of resources. Visit our website for a list of great green living products, sustainability books, innovative training courses, webinars and presentations. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for daily eco-cleaning tips and get in touch with us if you wish to know more about our way of cleaning. Until then, stay green and clean.